Hello YouTube. I want to talk about the crested crane, or Uganda's national bird. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you're gonna wonder, what is the crested crane, or what is the Ugandan national bird? So before we dive into this video, I'm Django and welcome to this channel if you're new here. So the crested crane is proudly known as Uganda's national bird, a symbol of grace, beauty and pride for the country of Uganda. So this bird stands tall in golden light of Africa's wetlands. So you're gonna find them when you go to Uganda. You're gonna find them in wetlands. This magnificent bird is instantly recognizable by its elegant crown of golden feathers. So it has a radiant halo that shines in the sun. Actually, it's beautiful bird. So its forehead, the way you see on the screen, its forehead it has a forehead which is like deep black, and just below the cheeks, down here, like you see in this video up here, below the cheeks, it has pure white divided by the vivid red patch that adds to its legal appearance. Beneath the chin hangs a red inflatable throat pouch. Wow, it's absolutely amazing. Known as the wattle, it smells when the bird calls or performs its mesmerizing dances. How incredible. The neck stretches long and slender, cloaked in smooth silver gray feathers. The way you see this bird is fabulous. Leading down to the body that blends soft shades of gray, white and buff gold. The way you see, it has really attractive colors. I think that's one of the reasons why Uganda chose this bird, this amazing bird, to be a national bird. That's one of the reasons, because it's absolutely beautiful the way you see it. So when it opens its wings, the way you see, when it opens its wings, the crested crane reveals the breathtaking display, layers of white feathers tipped with bronze. Apologies, by the way, I'm a bit sick. I don't have a voice, but I just couldn't wait to do this video about this amazing bird. It has layers of white feathers tipped with bronze, gold and black. In flight, the contrast between its light wings and dark body gives it a look of effortless elegance, which is really absolutely good, guys. You just see the bird. Actually, it's amazing. Even just if you ever visit Uganda, don't ever try to maybe hurt this bird or kill this bird or harass this bird. it's illegal actually in Uganda, because this bird means a lot to the country of Uganda. Yeah, so these are some of the features on this bird, the crested crane. Its legs and feet, long and jet black, carry it gracefully through Uganda's wetlands and grasslands, where it feeds on seeds, small insects, frogs, and reptiles. But what truly sets this bird apart is its courtship dance. So here they mean it dances like incredibly compared to other birds. You will never find a bird which dance. Some of the birds could dance, but this one is breathtaking when it's dancing. You couldn't believe it actually. It's it's a very rare bird in all birds. Yeah, very rare bird actually, which makes it like outstanding bird, extraordinary. So we go ahead and say a spectacular performance of bows, lips, and wing spreads. Yeah, so they say males and females dance together in perfect rhythm, calling to each other with soft trumpeting sounds. So they have amazing sounds. It's a celebration of love, unity, and life itself. Yeah, yes, it is. Because since childhood, I knew the crested crane, one of the most beautiful birds I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, so if you don't know about this bird, I think you should visit this bird actually. I mean, sorry, you should visit Uganda and learn more about this bird. The crested crane is more than just a bird. It is a living emblem of peace, dignity, and resilience. Resilience, yes. Dignity and resilience. Yeah. So the same values that define Uganda and its people. Let me repeat one more time. The crested crane is more than just a bird. It is a living emblem of peace, dignity, and resilience. The same values that define Uganda and its people. That's why Uganda is so lovely people. Just like this bird actually. When you go to Uganda, it's a welcoming country, friendly country. Everyone is gonna be good with you. Proudly displayed on the Ugandan national flag, which is really true. It's not exaggeration, it's not fabricated. Okay, this bird is displayed on the Ugandan national flag and coat of arms. The crested crane stands tall, facing forward, a sign of hope and progress for the nation of Uganda. With its radiant crown and graceful movements, the crested crane remains one of the most beautiful, symbolic birds on the African continent. A true pride of Uganda. And a timeless reminder of the harmony between nature and national pride. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So, if you're planning of visiting Uganda, try to check out these some of these birds. Actually, you could find them in like the National Zoo and some of the national parks. You're gonna get these birds there. So also other physical features. It has like a golden crown of golden feathers, a distinctive crown of stiff golden feathers on its head, giving it a majestic appearance, which is absolutely beautiful. So its body color, mostly gray with white wings that have touches of brown, gold, and black, the way you see on the screen here. Okay, so the face and neck, when you look at the face and neck, white cheeks with a bright red, I think here, this already it has it here, throat pouch used. This one, the throat, I think the thing in Uganda we say shingo, and Swahili they say shingo, it's the neck, shingo. So it's excuse me, it's throat pouch, this one, it's used in the courtship displays. So if you look at the national flag and the national emblem, okay, and the coat of arms, you can see his neck, it's displayed there, or the national emblem, yeah. So the black forehead and bill, slender gray neck. So legs and feet long, black and slender, ideal for wading in wetlands. Yeah, so the legs are very comfortable for, I think the legs are good for walking in the wetlands looking for food. So height, its height, these birds, the height about 1 meter, which is 3.3 feet tall. Wingspan around 2 meters, which is about 6.5 feet wide, which means this bird is really big. Actually, it's not that small. So the behavior of this bird, I'm talking about the crested crane, Uganda crested crane. The behaviors or characteristics, let's say, they are found in wetlands, grasslands, and cultivated fields. And also they are known for their graceful courtship dances involving jumping and spreading wings. Omnivorous, I think the mean what they eat seeds, insects. Sorry, it's a bit dark here actually, but I'm trying to use the car the car lights, yeah, to add some kind of light here. So they eat, these birds eat excuse me, insects, worms, frogs, and small reptiles. Monogamous, mates for life and nests in tall wetland grasses. Okay, symbolism in Uganda. What does that mean for the Uganda as a nation? By the way, the bird we are talking about right here, it's not just these common birds you see wherever you go. This bird means a lot to the country of Uganda, means a lot. It's a rare bird, it's a national bird. Just like I said, if you ever visit Uganda, don't try to hurt any bird there. You can hurt any other bird, but don't try to hurt this national bird, because it represents the country of Uganda, it's the Republic of Uganda. That's why it's highly respected. It's a national, that's why it's called a national bird. So the symbols or the symbolism in Uganda appears on the Uganda national flag and coat of arms. So represents peace. Again, I repeat, peace, prosperity, and elegance. Okay. Yeah. Another thing, it's upright. Its upright posture and gentle nature. symbolizes the what? Symbolizes the forward movement and pride of Uganda. Wow. If I start to describe this bird, I think I'll finish tomorrow. Yeah, I don't want to take too much time. It's just a short video to talk about this beautiful bird found in the beautiful country of Uganda on the continent of Africa. That being said, I would love to end this video by saying thank you for watching. If you've learned something from this video, or if you like the video, just do me a favor, share this video to someone else who'd love to get this information as well. Put a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.